Hello, welcome back to Think Big Digital. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to expand your images on Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI Image Canvas allows users to easily edit and expand existing pictures by using the masking and erasing pictures. Now we will go to Canvas Editor. You will also find Canvas Editor in your user tools. Now, at the left side, you have pen, then you can select, you have draw mask. You can also sketch on this canvas right here. Now, if you want to add an image to the canvas, go to the left side and you will find upload image option. Go to upload image, tap on from a computer and just tap on the image you want to expand. At the right side of the canvas, you can choose the number of images you want to generate. You can choose your image dimensions, and I think I'm gonna go for the square one, which is 1024 x 1024. And you can also turn up your render density, but I'm not going to do that for today. Now you can put your canvas onto the image like this. Just move your cursor. And now at the end of the canvas, you will find a text prompt option. You can just click on this button right here, and after writing a text prompt, you can just tap on this generate option here. Now, what I'm going to do is just tap on generate, and I will leave the other default options like this. I'm not going to change any of that. Now just tap on generate and just wait for some seconds until it is processed. As you can see, I have an upgraded option here. Now, this is not the picture that I want. I think I will go for the second or third option. You can just click on this arrow right here. I think this is not the picture for me. I think this is far better from the last two one. This is also a very nice picture and the hand is literally perfect here. So we are gonna stick to this one here. And now if you want to download this expanded image or expanded artwork, you can just tap into download artwork and it will automatically download and save to your device. And you can see I have the expanded option here. Now we will go for a second picture which will show you more clear version of the expanded image. We will again go to upload image and just choose a picture from our file. I think I will go for this anime art from here that I created from Leonardo AI. And I will put my picture and I will put my canvas on the corner of the picture. Now I will obviously change my text prompt here as this is a different picture. After writing your prompt, just tap on generate and just wait for some seconds until it is processed on your canvas. As you can see, I have an expanded version of my image and I think it is pretty good. But the only problem with this picture is that this kid right here is just standing on the cloud. So we will choose a different picture. We will just click on the right arrow and I think this is not quite the picture I want. This is far more better than the other one, but this guy right here is too much big for the picture. Now we will change our prompt right here and again trying to just generate another better version of this. Just tap on generate. Even if I change my text prompt here, the picture isn't changed that much. So I think we will just change our picture from here. Just going to upload image from computer right here. Just tap on the image. I will move my canvas to my picture right here and just change my text prompt. Then come to generate. As you can see, the image is expanded, and I think this is a very good picture than the previous ones we made. This is also a good one. I think the picture we are accepting today is the first one. I think this is the picture that goes with the text prompt also. Just tap on accept, then go to download artwork, and you're done. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.